Here's how to turn off SafeSearch on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app and scroll down. Tap on Screen Time, as it might be preventing access to certain websites. Scroll down and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. At the top, if it's enabled, tap on Allowed Apps and Web, and then select Web Content. You may see it's set to limit adult websites or only allowed websites. Tap on Restricted Access to turn it off. Note, this applies to Safari. If you're still having SafeSearch issues, it could also be within Google itself. Open Safari and go to google.com and tap the three lines at the top left corner and select Search Settings. Toggle SafeSearch to off. If you're signed into a child's Google account or have parental controls, SafeSearch might be locked in place. However, if you're an adult, you should be able to turn it off by adjusting these settings. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button below. It really supports me. Thanks.